In this video, I'm going to walk you through the basic steps to remove the engine from a Toyota Quantum. This is a big job, so take your time and make sure you've got the right tools and space to work safely. Start by disconnecting the battery to avoid any electrical accidents. Next, drain all fluids, engine oil, coolant, and transmission fluid if necessary. Now, remove the air intake system, radiator, and any other components that block access to the engine. Label all wires, hoses, and connectors as you disconnect them. It'll save you a lot of trouble later. Then, unbolt the exhaust manifold and engine mounts. If your Quantum is rear-wheel drive, you'll also need to disconnect the drive shaft and transmission mounts. Once everything is disconnected, use an engine hoist to slowly lift the engine out. Make sure nothing is still attached before fully removing it. This process can vary depending on your model, so check your service manual for details. If this video helped you understand how to remove a Toyota Quantum engine, like and subscribe for more hands-on mechanic guides. Thanks for watching.